Hi folks, we are here with Dr. N.S. Murthy, Chairperson, Department of Electronics Communication Engineering, Amrita School of Engineering, Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Bangalore. Sir, this question, like for example, after hearing you, students would certainly love to join ECE. But the question here is, why should I join Amrita? Why should I join Amrita?
There are many reasons.
Could I know a couple of them, sir?
First of all, Amrita is a very agile organization. We have so much of freedom within our Amrita to introduce new courses and teach the way it is required for the company. We also have company people coming and taking some specific topics within the. At any time, the faculty can introduce a new elective, and so much of flexibility is there for the curriculum preparation and also for the students to take different courses. We also have what is called a open course. Open course means the student can take a course from any other discipline also. Okay. Suppose an ECE student can take one course from mechanical or EEE or even CSE. We also have what is a system called Open Lab. Open Lab means they can do the project in whatever way they want, not restricted to a particular area. And the third one is that living labs where they can go
Living labs. Could you just give us a little brief on this living in lab?
It's a
Live in lab.
Live in lab. Okay. It is an excellent idea. It was proposed by Amma, and that is very much required for a country like India, where the students, maybe along with some mentoring faculty, go to a village, live there for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, whatever it is required. Stay with the people there, understand what are the real problems, what they face in their day-to-day life.
The practicality.
Practicality, not just reading in some
Absolutely.
paper or magazine. And they experience that difficulty, and then they come out with a solution for that. They come back and do whatever is required, the innovation and R&D, create a sort of a solution for that and take it back to the village and then deploy it in the field, get the feedback, improve it, and that in that way they will provide a solution to a live problem in a rural area.
So our students do that? I mean,
Our students do that. Almost 50-60 students do that every year. At this moment, as we talk, 2 of the ECE faculty are with the students in some village near Mysore.
Okay.
This whole week they are spending there. This is the first level. Again, they will go and spend some more time. Like that, 2-3 times they go.
So they live in the village. They stay in the village
They stay in the village.
For about, what would be the duration that they
Minimum is 2 weeks.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And up to 1 month.
And they interact with the villagers, and they find out the problems faced by a villager, and they come back here and then develop to something to solve
using whatever they have learned in their degrees.
Oh, very good. I think that is wonderful to hear, sir.
It's a fantastic idea. I think as far as I know, no other university is doing it. It is only Amrita doing because of Amma's skills.
Thank you so much. I think the viewers now realize the importance of joining the Department of ECE in Amrita School of Engineering. And so thankful to you, sir, that you have spent your precious time with us and highlighting the importance of ECE, the placements, what are available, the companies that are coming, the type of labs that you have, and your recommendation what to do, what not to do after the graduation you complete your degree and become an engineer. Thank you so much, and once again, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.